What is happening, guys? It is 6:30 in the morning on Friday, and I'm up to go and do some checking out of the First Landing State Park, which is nearby, because I just want to catch it when the light hits it right. So yeah, I've got up for that. I didn't really sleep that much because I'm not used to getting up this early, but I'm excited to go check it out. Also, my neighbor Daniel's coming, so I'll introduce him to you guys. And here comes Daniel right about now, as you can see. Yeah, Daniel, I'm trying to see you guys too. What is up, Daniel?
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how you feeling this morning?
Great.
It's a little early. Hey. Okay. Yeah. We have made it to the state park, and we're going to the trail center and trying to figure out what's good with parking and figure out where we're gonna go. What do we think about it? Let's go park.
Park man.
So here we are. We're about to chase it. Here are some trails. This is an awesome system.
Please take your print.
Beautiful. Oh, no! Why did you take it back? Why'd you do that? Too late. It took it back. Oh no. We have made it to the first part of the hike. We're going on Fox Run, and then we're going to connect to the Long Creek Trail. Yeah. Filming / taking some pictures. Daniel's buddy's got a croquis / attire group called, what are they called again?
Rockets by Pop.
Rockets by Pop. So if you are interested in some gear, check that out. Let's just show you what I'm working with. Absolutely beautiful outside right now, guys.
Document this process.
Do it for the photo. Just so you guys know, on the other side of the camera, this tree is super slick. I think it rained recently. And it's decaying and molding and being disgusting, so it's also leaking. So check out these plants. Pretty neat. Neat. Have you guys seen that video with the like scout kid that's making fun of nature? He just calls everything neat. I forget, if you haven't, just look up like wilderness and the word neat. I'm sure you'll find it. It's absolutely hilarious. So guys, I don't know if I told you, but I was applying to a graduate program for a master's in innovation and entrepreneurship in Antwerp, Belgium, because I would one day like to start my own business. So I think a little further education would be beneficial. And I just got an email. I'm in the middle of the woods, but I got an email saying that I got accepted! So that's exciting. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go yet. It depends on if I get a job that I really want or if I should just take this opportunity and go back to school. I don't know if I want to deal with testing exams anymore, but yeah, I accepted the grad school, so pumped. Woo! Look at this, guys, a car in the parking lot. How cool is that? What is it, a Toyota Land Cruiser? That is awesome. There's my car. You guys didn't know. I want to trade it for something that I can take more outdoorsy or something, but it's been good to me for 3 years. Your Gootenmobile. What did you think about today, Daniel? How was that?
Oh, it was great. Yeah, I loved walking 4.5 miles.
That was good. That was good. Whew, we got some good pictures. For lunch, Mitchell, Ma, and I are going to Cece's Pizza. If you guys don't know what that is, it is an all-you-can-eat pizza buffet.
To beat.
Alright, we got some pepperoni pizza, some buffalo chicken pizza. Mitchell's happy. Alright guys, that's all I have for you guys today. So, see what happens tomorrow. So take care, be at ease, everything is wonderful. If you guys like the new intro, comment in the box, or if you guys have any questions or anything, just feel free to comment, say hi, I'll respond, promise. Alright, peace out.